Okay, folks, here we are. We're outside. It's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, take a look at this. Look at that. We're here in Las Vegas, folks. Beautiful Las Vegas. Come take a walk. We're going to take a walk. The new thing on YouTube is people like to take walks. So we're going to walk on the boulevard. You betcha. Look at all the grand hotels. Look at this right here. Take a look at the train. It's like a subway. Extraordinarily beautiful. Now let's take a little more walk, folks. What do you think? Just take a look at all those beautiful cars. Look at them. Good looking cars. Yeah, there's another parking lot over here. Lots of parking here, folks, at the Luxor. Lots of parking. I think there's a stall open right there. Yeah. Now we'll take a little more walk over here. Just take a look. You guys want to do a pan? Let's do a pan. Pan. And let's transition into the B-roll. B-roll. Look at it, folks. Doesn't get much better than this in life. Just walking around. We've got some funny statues coming up here. Let's take a look at them. Let's take a look. Look at this. The Eye of Ra. Look at it. Then we go here and let's pan. Oh, wow. Big. Lovely, spectacular. Let's take a look at these guys over here, guys. Look at them. There's a whole bunch of them. Look at it. It's a moose. A little moose with a little guy there. Look at that guy. Look at him. Smoking weed, probably. We got a whole bunch of them here. Look, kind of pan around. Take a look. Look at this. Mandalay Bay. Mandalay Bay. Yeah, there's a taxi driver. He's upset. Here's another one. Another moose. Look at them, folks. You come to Las Vegas. Take the time to walk outside and take in all the beautiful sights. Don't sit in front of a slot machine. Lots of good stuff to look at. Listen, you hear those are taxi drivers. Angry taxi drivers. Yeah, they come from different countries. Yeah, all over the world. Now we're gonna come out here to the boulevard. The boulevard. Because we're doing a walking video. We're walking. Listen. A lot of people in town tonight. Oh, look at, here we go. B-roll. Transition to the train. Look at, that's some good YouTube content. Good vlogger. Yeah. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at the beauty. Spectacular. Just spectacular. There's lights everywhere, folks. Lights everywhere. Here we go. Look at the car going. Here he goes. We're gonna kind of roll around. Look at that. Wow. Isn't it amazing? Blue tonight. Yesterday it was green. Green. Tonight is blue. What will it be tomorrow? What will it be? Yes. Here we go. Yeah. Here we are, folks. Tell me what you think in the comments, how you liked my video. This walking video. I see lots of people doing them. That young man from Canada, Billy. That guy that lives here, kind of a unusual fella. Just sits in his car all the time. Kind of odd. Here we go. We got lots of lots of action. It's like an episode of Cops. Yeah. Here we go. Race. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Look at that. Speed racer here in the Valley of Lights. Folks, take a look at it. Take a look. We're going to do a little more walking. Take a look. Here we are. Here we are. Okay. Look at this. Now check this out, folks. Look at this. Huh? What do you think? Screenshot that. There's the honey shot. Right there. The money maker. Do you like it? I like it. I like it. Look at the bus. You can take the bus. Yes. Now, right there is the castle I was telling you about in my room review. Big, beautiful castle. I wouldn't go in there though, folks. It kind of smells. It smells a little musty. Kind of like feet. Not sure why. It smells a little bit like feet. Yeah. So here we are, guys. So here we are. Good. Oh, look. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful. There we are again. Okay, folks. I'll walk down a little further. Maybe start another video. The more videos you have, the more subscribers you get. Subscribers. So hit the thumbs up button. Okay? Leave a comment below. Share this on your social media. All of your social media. Your LinkedIn. Okay? Your LinkedIn. Share it on there. Share it on your MySpace and stuff. Whatever programs you use, you know. Okay? So, let me know. We'll be back with another episode of Chico's Walking the Boulevard very soon.